Today I only have one lesson, which I'll go to my induction, and then I think I may go shopping. And we have a rave tonight, which is a foam rave, so that'll be a new experience. So I'm sure I'll catch you later. Bye.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Valentino's vlogging his life every day for a year.
Guess what? Time for a foam rave.
Labor of pride as you try to take away what's mine. But honey, it's just a little song, and the melody belongs to all of us. So raise your glass, let's have a toast. Let our voices ring, let's sing, sing. Lighten up a heavy heart, float above the crowd. You can never own it, it's like capturing a cloud. Lingering in your thoughts, coming in the streets, haunted by harmony, a song like birds flies free. So raise your glass, let's have a toast. Let our
Hey, it's pretty late now. 2 fire alarms in one night. It's going to get on my nerves if it carries on, but what can I do? Not much. So tonight was eventful. The foam rave was pretty good. Had quite a good night, except the fire alarms, but hopefully no more tonight. Anyway, catch you tomorrow.